Hello, lovely face painters and YouTube viewers. Maria Mitchell here, bringing you another face painting tutorial. Today, I really want to share with you what I normally do at gigs, at face painting parties or events when girls want something pretty, quick. They love rainbows and flowers. And there's a very, very quick little thing that I can do on their arm or around their eye, on their face, and it's a rainbow and some flowers on there. Super easy to execute, and it's great for busting those long lines. So we're going to need a 1-inch flat face painting brush, a number 2 face painting brush, a number 2 round brush, and also this is a number 8 petal brush. So petal brushes have a wide ferrule and a very fine tip, and a number 6 round brush as well. And I'm using a split cake called Leanne's Rainbow. It's a super pretty one, and it does really lovely vibrant rainbows. And this thing, you're probably wondering, what is this? This is just a little palette of colors that I normally use for double dipping. And double dipping, for those of you that don't know, is how we achieve pretty flowers, which I'll show you in this tutorial. You're also going to need a spray bottle, which you use to dampen this one to get them ready and activated, and some glitter. Now we've dipped our 1-inch flat brush into the water, we've swiped any excess paint off the edges, and I'm going to proceed in picking up these gorgeous colours from Leanne's Rainbow Split Cake by Global Colours. So swiping up and down until you get enough face paint on your 1-inch flat brush. I'm going to start with a vertical line, and we're going to swipe down vertically and then start bringing it on a curve and then bringing it right down into almost a little curve as it's finished. So there you have a really pretty rainbow. And now for the flowers, for double dipping flowers, we are going to wet our petal brush. I'm going to dip this into my white. So I'm working my way into getting a nice creamy consistency on my petal brush. We don't want to overload it too much. What I normally do is, on the little towel that's on my face painting kit, just at the tip of that brush, I really should have sprayed my palette first. So before you do your rainbow or you load your split cake up, spray your double dip flowers just so they're nice and activated for the time that you go to double dip. So I've just rubbed it up and down a few times. You don't need to go overkill with this. You just need to take any excess off. So I usually ask the child, pick a colour. Which colour would you like for your flower? They normally say purple, pink. No one tends to pick the blues unless they're an older age, I find. So because I've sprayed these colours in advance, I've activated them so they're quite moist now and ready to pick up. So before I start, I just want to do a tester. I always do a tester on my hand. Do one petal. So I'm starting with the tip of the petal brush, and then I'm laying it flat. Tip of the petal brush, laying it flat. Tip, laying it flat. And then what I normally do is just do another little petal following the outside of where, say, the blue is, just to lighten it up a little. And then if I have enough on my brush, I'll do another flower. So tip and then lay flat, just so I can make use of all of that face paint. I really want to pick up some more white on the watery side so I can make some nice dots. So I'm just going to make a dot in the middle like that. Another dot for the other flower. And I like to make some dots right here. Don't ask me why. the end of each tip. So just some other dots and a star. So flick out, out, flick out. You're touching your skin, the skin ever so slightly. And so then I like to just do a little flick and a curl. Another curl. This is just random. You'll find what you like to do. There you go. Nice and easy. You could skip those curls. And now because we've picked up this purple, I'm just going to do some strokes out with the purple from the center of the flower. You can also skip this option. Don't really need to put in too much detail if you're really wanting to smash this out and not take too much time. You can continue, you can make some more stars around it, and obviously the girls will love glitter on it, so I just grab my puffer and puff it with glitter, and that is pretty much it. And usually on their arm, they love. You can do this on their face, around their eye, and just work it with that space that you've got. I hope this helped anyone out that's looking for some really quick and easy, effective rainbow flowers, girly designs when you're in a super rush at an event or a gig or a party. Let me know how you go. Send me any comments down below on any other things that you need to know, or if you want to learn anything else, let me know. I'm so stoked when I get comments from you guys wanting to learn new things. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting!